Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll with the reveal and inspiration for our latest card kit. This is for April 2022 and it's called Life is a Party. I'll start the reveal off with the 6x8 stamp set called Life is a Party. At the top we have some shaped balloons, sunglasses, also some triangle images and circles down below. There are nice bold messages and smaller ones that you can interchange. Also balloon strings and some talk bubble shapes. These are perfect images to use with your Simon Says Stamp Positively Saturated ink for some smooth stamping with those solid images. Next up, we have an embossing folder for this kit, and it's called Dimensional Stars, and it has this wonderful pattern of stars. I've done a letterpress sample for you, so hopefully you can see the dimension of those stars and the centers that pop up to a peak, and the detail even in the tiny stars. To do a letterpress, it's really easy. You pick the side that is completely flat, then you can grab a brayer or tap your ink directly onto the folder. I like to use a brayer so I don't get any of the ink into the depressed areas. And then once you have your folder well inked, you can place your paper inside and then run that through your die cut machine. Also in this kit is a full-size Distress Oxide ink pad of saltwater taffy. This is Tim Holtz's latest color, and it goes with our kit so well. You'll also be receiving the Simon Says Stamp Balloon Trios, and this is a set of 3. They come together, and I just clip mine apart so I could make some samples for you. These are adorable, and they do include that reflection of the balloon off to the right. And I've just clipped these out from some of the pattern paper that's in the kit. You'll also be receiving 2 sheets of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 Yupo paper. And what I've done is I used my dies to cut into the Yupo and create a stencil. Since Yupo is like a plastic, you can use it really well to create a stencil and do some ink blending onto your cards. Also included in this kit are 2 jars of Ranger Stickles glitter gel. One is Galaxy and the other is Venus. I've swatched out a couple samples for you to see all the fibers and the chunky glitter that's in the gel. And you also may want to use them with your handmade stencil. The papers for this kit come from American Crafts Damask Love, and they are 6x8 inches. They are single-sided, and you receive 18 sheets. As you can see while I'm flipping through these papers, there are really nice bold prints and a lot of the summer and spring colors that you're probably looking forward to. Some of the patterns are really bold and large, and then some are really fine print. The combination of colors really gets me in the mood for some party invitations and spring card making. So again, that's American Crafts Damask Love, 6x8 papers, 18 sheets in total, and those are single-sided. And to complete this kit, you'll also receive 1 sheet of 110-pound Nina White. Up next, I have some inspiration using the products from this kit, and I'll start off with a card I made. It's a mini slimline, and it features the balloon dies with light-colored papers set onto some bold stripes with my message stamped at the bottom. Nina Marie created an edge-to-edge shaker feature for her card where she used the balloon dies and included them inside the shaker. Kathy Zelsky white embossed Party onto her balloon die cut and then ink blended using saltwater taffy and other spring colors to create a nice large balloon for her card. And finally, Beth used the girlfriend papers and cut those out and placed those on top of additional pattern paper and stamped her messages behind. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Life is a Party. Remember that you can find additional inspiration in our blog post linked below and also in our galleries. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.